All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 12. So this says updating properties. This animation already is updating one sprite's X property to make it look like it's shaking. Do this. Run the program to see how it works. Edit the code in this program to make the second sprite shake like the first one. Move on when your program looks like the picture on the right. So if we run it, all right, the left one's shaking, the right one's not. So let's take a look. Line 1, run the program to see how it works. Line 2, variable pencil gets create sprite 100, 200. So that's this guy right here. Pencil set animation pencil. All right, so it's pencil. Variable brush gets create sprite 300, 200. So that's this guy right here. Brush dot set animation brush. So it's a brush. Now down here's where it's going to get fun. Background dot white. Okay, so that makes everything. Pencil dot x gets random number 100 to 110. All right, so this is saying that the x-axis, which is going across, we're going to pick a random number between 100 and 110, and that's why it's going back and forth, because it's repeating itself, and it's looking to every frame, it's picking a new spot between that area, and then it's having the pencil move there. All right, so we're going to do the same thing for the brush. So we can see that the brush is just set to 300. So all we have to do is turn this into a random number and go between 300 and 310. So if we reset and we run it, now they're both doing their dance. All right, so with that, press finish and I'll see you on the next level.